Hello everyone, please welcome. I'm going to share with you today my Hummer H3. I have a issue which I wanted to share with you, that whenever I drive and I pull the brakes, the Hummer goes like this, and all the way it goes like this. Basically, you are driving and you pull the brake, it goes like this, it just dies on you, it just goes down. And so what exactly is happening? It has a bump stop bushing. Those are one on this side, one on the other side. They died. With the wear and tear, the bushing goes bad. So now I'm going to replace it. I have received the parts already. This is the way they look. I'm going to share with you and what things we need at this moment. We're going to bring the Hummer. We're going to put the jack on. We're going to remove the wheel. Then I will share with you. It's very easy and simple process. And you can save a lot of money. And also, your ride will be smooth. You're going to enjoy your Hummer ride. And let's get started. First, we're going to pop open the cap on the wheel hub. And now we're going to take out all the wheel bolts. We're going to crack open each one of them. And then we're going to take it out. So remove the wheel and put it right underneath your Hummer. It's just a safety precaution, As I have lifted the Hummer with the jack, and then I did put the dead jack. We put the wheel chokes behind the wheels, and these are the bushing. I'll list the product information under the description, so please check it out. This is how it looks. Bump stop, and this is the location. It's right next to the shock. This is where the bushing is. And if you see, this is totally worn out, it's dead. So what happens that when we pull the brake, shocks goes down, this one, the round shape, hits right on the top, and it gives you a cushion. So you don't feel the jerk when you're pulling the brakes on. So now it's very easy to remove it. There is no trick to open this, or there is not an easy way. It's just a simple DIY. Once this is totally worn out, you basically pry it out. You can put the screwdriver under the hole, and this screwdriver going to hit right on the body. Not you push it all the way through, then you won't able to pull it. So you put it halfway, then you pry it out. Or just put the screwdriver like this and try to drag it down. I'll show it to you. Let's say close it. Totally broken. So we can put the screwdriver in and we can take it out just like this. See, this is the part and this is the other part, other half. So basically with the screwdriver, you just see, this is how it comes out. So now if we look at, this is the broken, and once you insert from here at this end, you won't be able to do it. I won't suggest you to do it, because what's going to happen, these are the cavity right here. This is the locking mechanism which holds the bump stop in a place. I know many videos out there on YouTube which suggest putting a screwdriver in, but I won't suggest it. Normal wear and tear time, the metal also gets brittle, and this get rusted, and you can break these locks, and then the bump stop won't going to hold in place. So the best way to do it, just pry it from the bottom. It's broken and it's going to come out easy. And now to put the new one in, this is what we need to do. On the side you put it, and then see this, you just press it with the hand. We just need to force it. See, one hole on this side, one hole on this side, two, one on this side, four. So that four locks in place. So we are able to put a three in. So the best way to do, just push it like this. So once we put it like it tilted on the back side, this is the third one, you just push it like this. And this is the fourth side. So in order to put it, you put your screwdriver just like this, and then we just need to press it. Or you put something underneath, just like that. See, it's gone in the side. You heard that little click. When I put the screwdriver here, the fourth one clicks in. So now it's inside. So when we're going to pull the brake in, then it's going to go all the way on the top, and then it's going to sit there. So that's how it's easy and simple. And the other thing I wanted to share with you, that when you put it to 2 notches, the third and fourth, you try with the screwdriver, try to put it in the third one. The fourth one is hard to go. Then you put the plier and try to squeeze the rubber, and then it will go in. So that's how it's easy. I know it's really hard, but if you follow the procedure, then it's very easy. So as you've seen it, it was hard to put it in, but if you follow a simple DIY step, it's very easy. And the way I did it, now I'm going to go on other side, on the driver's side. Driver's side bushing, and this is also really worn out. So in order to pry out, the same procedure. So put the screwdriver and just pry it open. See? See, this is the way it pops out. The other side was totally 2 pieces and a half, and this side is worn out. So that's a easier way. You pry it out this way or the other way. So now we're going to put the new one in. So this one is a driver side. So this one pulls it nicely. The passenger side was a little harder, but this one slides really easy. It just went in really easy. We put it 2 sides, pulled it up, and it just went in. So now these are the new ones. So that's all you change. So I hope this video is going to help you out, and it's going to make your life, matter of fact, it's going to make your ride smooth and easy, and you're going to enjoy it. If this video brings a smile on your face, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.